This is no coincidence. You're here because the universe has a message for you. What if the answers you've been searching for are already within you, waiting to be unlocked? Today, we're diving into secrets that will awaken your intuition, empower you to manifest your desires, and guide you to connect with divine energy. This isn't just another video. This could be the one that changes everything. So stick with me because the journey we're about to take is life-changing. Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found this space. This is where we explore life's mysteries, connect with the spiritual realm, and uncover practical tools to transform your life. Today's video is all about you, your hidden powers, and how to unlock them. By the end, you'll understand how to 1. Tune into your intuition, 2. Manifest your dreams into reality, and 3. Recognize the signs the universe is sending you. Whether you're searching for clarity, abundance, or a deeper connection to the divine, this is your guide. So, grab a cozy drink, settle in, and let's begin this incredible journey. Your intuition and manifestation power aren't just internal. They're deeply connected to the energy around you. Think of it this way. The universe is constantly sending you signals, and when you learn to tune into them, life feels like it's guiding you effortlessly. Here's how you can tune into the energy around you. Pay attention to your environment. Have you ever walked into a room and felt an instant vibe, either positive or uncomfortable? That's energy. Start noticing how certain places, people, or even objects make you feel. Your energetic awareness will reveal what aligns with you and what doesn't. The energy of objects. Every object holds energy. For example, the items on your desk or the clothes you wear daily. Do they inspire you or weigh you down? Surround yourself with things that make you feel uplifted. Nature's signals. Nature is one of the most powerful ways to connect with universal energy. Pay attention to how you feel when you step outside. Notice the rustling leaves, the wind, or even the songs of birds. These subtle cues are grounding and can realign you with your intuition. Sometimes, no matter how much we try to manifest or follow our intuition, it feels like something is holding us back. That's often an energy block, a hidden resistance within you that needs clearing. Here's how you can clear these blocks and restore your flow. Identify what's blocking you. Ask yourself, what feels heavy or out of alignment right now? It could be an old belief, a toxic relationship, or even fear of stepping out of your comfort zone. Naming the block is the first step to clearing it. Let it go through visualization. Close your eyes and imagine the block as a heavy chain or a dark cloud. Now picture it dissolving into light or breaking apart and floating away. Feel the release as your energy flows freely again. Raise your vibration with gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful energy shifter. When you feel stuck, take a moment to list 5 things you're truly grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's possible, opening the door for your energy to flow again. Let's start with intuition, your inner compass. It's that gut feeling you get, that quiet whisper guiding you toward the right path. But with all the noise in life, how do you truly hear it? Here are 3 powerful ways to recognize and strengthen your intuition. 1. Notice your body's signals. Your body is always speaking to you. Have you ever felt a sudden tightness in your chest before making a decision? Or perhaps an overwhelming sense of calm when something just felt right? These are signs. Pay attention to these sensations. They're never random. 2. Look for synchronicities. Have you ever thought of someone and they suddenly call you? Or noticed repeating numbers like 111 or 555 everywhere you look? These are synchronicities, universal nudges trying to get your attention. Write them down. They often carry messages meant just for you. 3. Practice stillness. Your intuition thrives in silence. Take just 5 minutes daily to sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Ask your intuition a question, and then just listen. The answer will come in ways you may not expect. Remember, your intuition is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. If you're finding this helpful, hit that like button. It tells me you want more content like this. Now that you've tapped into your intuition, let's talk about manifestation, the art of turning thoughts into reality. Here's the thing. Manifestation isn't just about thinking positive thoughts. It requires 3 key ingredients: clarity, emotion, and action. Let me walk you through the 3 steps to manifestation. 1. Get crystal clear on what you want. Be specific. Don't just say, "I want more money." Instead say, "I want to earn $5,000 this month." And write it as if it's already happening. I am so grateful to be earning $5,000 a month. 2. Visualize with emotion. Close your eyes and imagine your desire as if it's already real. How does it feel? What do you see? Let that excitement flood your senses. It's the emotional energy that attracts your desire closer. 3. Take aligned action. Manifestation isn't magic, it's co-creation. If you're manifesting a new job, start applying for positions. If you're seeking a relationship, put yourself in situations to meet people. Trust the universe to meet you halfway. And don't forget, angel numbers like 888 or 111 are confirmations that you're on the right path. Write them down and trust the process. Finally, let's talk about divine guidance. The universe, angels, or your higher self are always with you, guiding you. But how do you recognize their messages? Here are 3 steps to connect with divine guidance. 1. Ask for signs. Before you sleep, ask your guides for a clear sign. For instance, say, "If I'm on the right path, show me a butterfly tomorrow." Be open. It might not come how you expect. 2. Meditate with intent. Meditation is like dialing into the divine frequency. Light a candle, close your eyes, and say, "I am open to receiving guidance." Pay attention to any thoughts, feelings, or symbols that arise. 3. Trust your gut and synchronicities. Divine guidance often feels like a gut instinct or comes in repeated signs. Don't dismiss them. They're the universe speaking directly to you. Let's recap. Today you've learned how to 1. Recognize and strengthen your intuition. 2. Manifest your desires with clarity and emotion. 3. Connect with divine guidance through signs and meditation. Now it's your turn. Start practicing these steps today and watch your life transform. The universe is waiting for you to step into your power. If this video resonated with you, share it with someone who needs this message. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos that uncover life's mysteries. I'll see you in the next one.